Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 2015 Chevy Suburban. It was one of the fleet vehicles from the state of South Dakota, so an 8-passenger, actually maybe even 9. But good shape, good tread on the tires, body's in nice shape. But it is the 3-passenger up front, 3 in the back, and 3 in the way back, so it is 9. So 137, 307, power seat. They as a fleet vehicle, they do not use carpet, they use rubber, but it's got the auto lights, got cruise, tilt, power windows, locks, so your basics. Interior is in nice shape. A lot of times hardly anybody ever sits in the back of these. So rear air and heat. So your nice basic people hauler. Of course, got tow package. But for a fleet vehicle, it's in pretty nice shape. Not a lot of big scratches or dents anywhere on it. So comes with our 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty. So internal engine, transmission, steering, AC, electrical, fuel, best coverage anybody. I don't know anybody else giving 12/12 with the vehicle. It goes with the vehicle, so you can buy with peace of mind. And if you want to extend it out 24 or 36 months, which we recommend with the cost of fixing vehicles anymore, definitely a good thing to do. 605-692-7010.